Is the Cryptotag Zeus sent from the crypto gods to keep your seed phrase safe? Let's find out. Inside the box you'll find the Cryptotag Zeus and this little thank you note, plus a nice strobe waffle that I couldn't resist to spare until this review. I'm sorry, but it was delicious. Once you've unwrapped the Zeus, you will get to the inside and the nice box that holds the contents, which include the setup guide, the conversion sheets, the actual Cryptotag Zeus, which feels absolutely ready for its heavy duty, the punching tool, some matches to set your old seed phrase card on fire, which I always do, after I backed it up, of course, and some earplugs. And trust me, you will need them. Let's make our seed phrase durable, grab the setup guide and read the instructions. Cryptotag recommends to start by writing down your words first, then look for the according numbers and write them down, as we will be punching numbers, not letters. Here's an example. The word abandon translates to the 4 digits 0001, as of the industry standard, the BIP 39, which is a list of 2048 words to create your seed phrase. For this example, you would punch 0001. Another example would be the word coin, which would be punched in as 0364, because it is the 364th word of the BIP 39 list. The BIP 39 word list is included, but you can also look it up online if you ever lose this booklet. The first word I will be punching in this example is within the 07XX range. Take your Cryptotag and open it up by removing the 2 clips holding it in place. Fold it open and then you will see the space to mark all of your 24 words in digits. Make sure to start with 1 so you don't mess up the order of your seed phrase. This is important. Take the punching tool and start punching. Please make use of the earplugs, because punching 96 digits in this massive metal will make your ears ring. As you can see, my first word is within the 07XX range, and the punching works really well and the hole feels deep enough, not just on surface level. Once you're done with punching all the digits for your 24 words in, I highly suggest that you try to reverse engineer your seed phrase by just checking the numbers if they match with your words, just to be 100% sure. Fold the Cryptotag back together and put the clips back on. Store the Cryptotag where you won't lose it, but others are less likely to find it. The Cryptotag Zeus has a great build quality, it feels very durable and absolutely ready for its duty to make our seed phrase hold for eternity. There are some nice gimmicks included, like the matches to burn the old seed phrase card and the earplugs, which are really needed. I would have loved to see some kind of sealing stickers. That would be a nice to have, just to see it at first glimpse if someone tried to open up the Zeus. And the downside of the Zeus is actually the price, because as of now it's 129 euros plus 15 euros in shipping, or 129 US dollars plus $15 in shipping, which totals in 144 euros or US dollars. So it's kind of pricey, even though the build quality is really good.